This is Papia Miss, assistant teacher of Ananda Multimedia School and College. This is the 24th December, the birthday of Ananda Multimedia School and College. 21 years ago, it was founded by Ghulam Mustafa sir with a vision of quality education of the community of this area. Please come with me and visit our school and explore what makes the school different from others. What's the specialty of the school? They are our guardian, Shahida Miss. Please say hi. Okay, please come with me. Megan sir, assistant teacher of our school. Shaidam is also our assistant teacher.
Thank you, Miss.
All the teachers are working hard. They are our guardian. They are waiting. They will visit the open day. They are our guardian. They are gossiping, talking with each other. They are enjoying this program. And this is our catering system, our canteen. Rakibullah sir, newly married sir, so much happy today. He is also enjoying our program. And our guardian and my dear students, Amina's father. Will you say something, please? Please. Tajul Bhai. Tajul Bhai. He is serving nutritious food and delicious food from this canteen, and different materials necessary for education are also served from here. Pen, pencil, color pencil, exercise book, practical book, all of the goods are serving from here. So come and meet our accountant teacher, Rafiqul Islam. He is very sincere and very polite person. Asif, what are you doing? Our student from class 10, that means SSC student, he is candidate of SSC exam. What are you doing? Are you enjoying the program?
Our school is one of the prestigious schools in Gauripur, and I am overjoyed for reading in such a kind of such a school. And today is our open day, so we are enjoying it very much, and all of you are invited to come. Thank you.
Shahjahan Munshi sir. He is working from 21 years. Most favorite teacher. Meet with him. Mahin Chaudhary, student from class 10, acting as a volunteer. And again our favorite Shahida Miss, Shahida Akhtar. Now we will observe our QR code. If someone scan the QR code, he or she will get a form, then he can get all the information related to the admission and all things. After that, he will fill up the form, and today he or she will get a prize. This is the specialty, another specialty, one of the specialties of our open day. This one is our admin miss room. Admin miss here. And guardians are talking with her about the admission and other things regarding the admission.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Jasmine Suldana. I am the admin officer of Ananda Multimedia School and College English version. Here I am talking to the guardians about admission. Our admission process is going quite smooth and clear. Our guardians are really responsible. I'm hoping the best for the guardians, students and our school. Thank you.
This one is our another scan code. Guardians will come and scan this. Okay, guardian, please, Bhaiya, scan this one and you will get all the information related to admission and also about the school. Scan this and after that you will fill up the form. After that you will get a prize. Scan this one. Have you scanned it? Okay. Now fill up the form. After that you will get this. You have won the gift.
Which one do you
His
like?
his father has scanned the code. That's why he is getting a gift. Just choose anyone from these. Ma'am will give you. Which one do you want? You too.
Follow this one.
This one, orange one.
Okay. Here you go.
You also will get.
And what do you want? This one?
Just
Which
choice,
one now?
choice. This one. Okay, clap, clap, clap. This is our attendance. This is digital attendance. Every day we come and give our attendance and punch here with our card. Okay, come with me. The guardians are having some snacks. Rakibullah sir is serving. Sakib, this is Sakib Bhai, most sincere person, and our Hasnain Hassan sir. He is helping Sakib Bhai. This is our principal sir's room. Principal and founder and also director, Ghulam Mustafa Bhuiya sir. Just now he is outside. This is our computer lab. Putting of the shoes, I'm entering here. Our computer sir, Malik sir, and also Kausa sir. New students are enjoying. His new students is also. The guardians are visiting the lab. These are our computers. This is our science lab. Afrin Jui from class 10, Afroza and Mohammad Omar. Afroza, what are you doing?
I'm observing the onions under compound microscope.
Okay, what have you seen?
I've seen the cell wall of onion and then the
Onion
vacuole,
cell,
onion
vacuole.
cell,
Vacuole is very prominent, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. In case of a plant cell, you will get a prominent cell wall and also a large vacuole.
large vacuole
Yes.
is the common feature.
Yes, diagnostic feature. Otherwise, you can say the characteristic feature or salient feature. That means in case of plant cell, we will get prominent cell wall and large vacuole. Afrin Joy, what are you doing?
Actually, I'm observing the diffusion rate of potassium dichromate
Yes.
in hot water, normal water, and cold water.
Cold water. What's the result?
Actually, the diffusion rate in hot water is very high.
Yes, you are
Whereas
correct.
the normal water is normal. And
Normal.
cold water
That means
is,
medium.
Yeah, and normal and cold water is very low,
Low. That's why the color is so.
light,
Yes.
and
So light.
it's like concentrated.
Do you know the chemical name of this substance?
Yes, this is pentahydrated copper sulfate.
Yes. And common name of this copper sulfate?
It's blue vitriol.
Blue vitriol. Right. And what is this? This one is the sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid.
Okay, just do one thing. You just take some iron dust and mix with this copper sulfate solution, and you will get a magic. That means you will get the change of the color. The blue color will turn into green color. Do this quickly. Hey, what are you doing? Tausif and Omar. Okay, say something about your experiment.
This is an emitter.
Is this necessary for your experiment? No. Do you need this? Okay, I'll keep it here. You just explain this. What are you doing about your experiment? I want to
This is an
know.
emitter through which we can measure the current flow through a circuit. If we connect this emitter with the circuit in series circuit, then we can measure the emitter.
Yes, you're right.
And by
This is-
using voltmeter, we can measure the voltage difference between the two ends of the circuit.
Okay. I will observe this after some time. Okay? Okay, boys, girls, students, carry on your experiment. Come with me. This is our library. Our librarian, Shumona Miss. Walaikum Assalam. And they are our students. This is December month, so they are enjoying their holiday. They are very fond of reading books. This is students' attendance. This is for the junior section. Walaikum Assalam. Our volunteer. Name?
My name is Aditya.
Walaikum Assalam. Sami. Our volunteer. This is our play section, Rose and Lily section. We have decorated this balcony yesterday for the open day of Ananda Multimedia School and College. This is the birthday of this school. Today, the age of this institution is 21 years. This is the place of our dreams. Here dreams are nurtured and knowledge is cultivated. Our workplace, the place of peace, the place of happiness. This is the foundation class. Today is the holiday, that's why the students are absent today. Because this is the birthday of this school, that's why this is the holiday of this school. Durjoy Phal sir is coming. And also Fariduzzaman sir.
Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Happy birthday today.
This is the second floor. Okay. This is the corridor. This is the section of secondary level student. The teachers of this school worked hard day and night to decorate the school. Lots of balloons are used for this. All the teachers worked day and night for the decoration of this school. Come. This is the class of class 9. The benches are empty because the students are absent. This is the December month. Saif performing his duty. Now you are going to our hostel. Sohel sir, spoken teacher of the hostel. These are the balloons. The students are not here because they are enjoying their holidays. Sumaya. Assalamualaikum sir. Waalaikumsalam. Our ex-students, they passed SSC. Which year? 2024. 2024. Waalaikumsalam. Come. Okay. Come, join us and explore our friendly environment and amazing facilities and experience what makes our school different and special from others. Thank you.